Welcome to a new video. In this video, I can tell you why you forget words when you speak. Have you ever opened your mouth and the word you were about to say just vanished? It's on the tip of your tongue, you know it, but it disappears the moment you need it most. Don't panic. This doesn't mean you're forgetful or slow. Your brain is simply doing too much at once, and I'm going to show you why it happens and how to fix it for good.
Learning English isn't just about grammar rules or memorizing long vocabulary lists. It's about having the right phrases ready at the right time. Native speakers don't think word by word. They speak in chunks, little blocks of meaning that make everything sound smooth and natural. Phrases like, to be honest, sounds good. I'm not sure yet. I appreciate that. These small expressions create big fluency. So here's how this video works. 1. I'll teach you the phrase. 2. You'll repeat it out loud. 3. I'll show you how to use it in real conversation. 4. We'll build your flow and confidence step by step. Ready? Let's jump into the first set.
Chapter 1. Everyday starter phrases.
These phrases help you start conversations, respond quickly, and sound natural. Phrase 1. Sounds good. Repeat. Sounds good. This is one of the most common responses in English. Use it when you agree with a plan. Example, let's meet at 5. Sounds good. Phrase 2. I'm not sure yet. Repeat. I'm not sure yet. Use this when you need time to think. Polite, natural, clear. Frase 3. No worries. Repeat. No worries. This replaces it's okay or no problem. Phrase 4. I appreciate that. Repeat. I appreciate that. Stronger and more sincere than thank you. Phrase 5. Let me think. Repeat. Let me think. Gives you time without sounding lost. Pause. Take a breath. You're doing great.
Segment 4. Stress relief and relaxation. One of the simplest yet profound benefits of reading is its ability to relieve stress. According to research from the University of Sussex, reading can reduce stress by up to 68. Just 6 minutes of reading can slow your heartbeat and ease muscle tension. Imagine curling up with your favorite book at the end of a long day. It's a form of escape and relaxation like no other. Segment 5. Lifelong learning and personal growth. Reading also encourages lifelong learning and personal growth. In a world that is constantly changing, keeping our minds sharp is essential. Whether it's through biographies of successful people or motivational self-help books, the act of reading empowers us to seek self-improvement and adapt to new challenges.
Chapter 3. Beginner to Natural English Transformations. Now let's turn simple beginner English into smooth, natural English. Beginner. I don't know. Natural. I'm not sure yet. Repeat. I'm not sure yet. Beginner. It's okay. Natural, no worries. Repeat. No worries. Beginner. I don't understand. Natural. I didn't catch that. Repeat. I didn't catch that. Beginner. I'll try. Natural. I'll give it a shot. Repeat. I'll give it a shot. Beginner. I agree. Natural. Exactly. Or right, that's true. Repeat. Exactly. Repeat. Right, that's true. These small changes make you sound dramatically more fluent. Chapter 4. Shadowing practice. Shadowing is powerful. Repeat immediately after me. Match the speed, the tone, the rhythm. Ready? Repeat everything after the beep. Beep. I'm not sure yet. Beep. That makes sense. Beep. Let me think. Beep. No worries. Beep. I appreciate that. Beep. I'll figure it out. Beep. Exactly. Beep. That works for me. Beep. You're training your mouth, your memory, and your instincts.
5. Vocabulary paralysis. Sometimes you forget words because you know too many words. For example, you want to say suggest, but your brain shows recommend.
advise, propose,
consider. Suddenly, you hesitate, your mind freezes, and the word vanishes. This is called lexical competition, and it's completely normal, especially for people with a large vocabulary.
Chapter 6. Emotional English. Calm, confident, clear. Great English isn't only about grammar. It's also about tone. Here are expressions for different emotions. Confident phrases. Repeat. I'm on it. Repeat. I've got this. Repeat. I can handle it. Calm phrases. Repeat. Take your time. Repeat. There's no rush. Friendly phrases. Repeat. Don't worry about it. Repeat. It's all good. Firm but polite phrases. Repeat. I'd prefer not to. Repeat. That doesn't work for me. These help you communicate feelings without sounding rude or cold. Chapter 7. The 50 Essential Daily English Phrases. Here are all 50 essential phrases you should master. Repeat each one clearly. 1. Sounds good. 2. I'm not sure yet. 3. No worries. 4. I appreciate that. 5. Let me think. 6. That makes sense. 7. I didn't catch that. 8. It depends. 9. I'm getting there. 10. I'll figure it out. 11. Exactly. 12. Right, that's true. 13. I'll give it a shot. 14. I'm on it. 15. I've got this. 16. Take your time. 17. There's no rush. 18. That works for me. 19. I'm not sure about that. 20. I see what you mean. 21. Fair enough. 22. I'll think about it. 23. I didn't expect that. 24. Good question. 25. I'm open to that. 26. I'm not ready yet. 27. Let's try it. 28. I don't mind. 29. I'm flexible. 30. I'm still learning. 31. I understand. 32. I appreciate your help. 33. Let me check. 34. Give me a moment. 35. That's interesting. 36. I'm not sure I agree. 37. I'm with you. 38. That's a good point. 39. I'm listening. 40. Not really. 41. I'm almost done. 42. I'll be right there. 43. I'll think it over. 44. I'll keep you posted. 45. Let's see. 46. I'll get back to you. 47. You're right. 48. You're close. 49. I get what you're saying. 50. Let's move on.
8. Fear of judgment. Fear blocks fluency more than any other factor. When your mind is thinking, what if I sound stupid? What if my accent is wrong? It creates tension, which slows down the brain's word retrieval. The moment you focus on your message instead of yourself, words flow naturally. 9. Fatigue and energy. Your brain needs energy to retrieve words efficiently. If you're
tired,
sleep-deprived, mentally exhausted, it becomes much harder to recall words instantly. Your memory doesn't fail. Your energy levels fail. 10. Solutions to stop forgetting words. Here's how to fix it. 1. Slow down. Speak 20 to 30% slower than usual. Let your brain catch up. 2. Pause confidently. Use small pauses instead of filler words like or. 3. Think in the language you speak. Stop translating in your head. Describe surroundings. Narrate thoughts internally in the target language. 4. Activate vocabulary. Take a few new words each day and make sentences out loud. 5. Breathing reset. Before speaking, inhale deeply for 4 seconds, exhale slowly, then speak. 6. Focus on the message. Shift attention from yourself to what you want to communicate. 7. Daily speaking practice. Record 1 to 2 minutes of daily speech. Review and correct mistakes. 8. Reduce perfectionism. Accept small mistakes. They don't ruin communication.